This is the car differential. It allows wheels to turn at different speeds. Power enters through the pinion gear. Enters via the pinion gear. It drives the larger ring gear. Spider and side gears allow speed differences. Moving straight, both axles turn at equal speed.
Let's analyze the critical internal components. The drive pinion drives the massive ring gear. Inside the case, spider gears allow speed difference, connect directly to the axles. This is your bill of materials.
Phase A. In a straight line, torque is split 50-50. Spider gears spin to allow speed difference. Traction loss. Power takes the least resistance, spinning the wheel on ice. When cornering, outer wheels must travel farther and faster than inner wheels. A differential allows this speed variance, preventing tire scrub. Common layouts include...
Let's contrast these three differential systems. Open diff is efficient sa turns pero talo sa traction. LSD uses friction to transfer torque dynamically. Diff locks give solid engagement for maximum power.